Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great during these days. Are you? I am Shehnaz Miss from Ajidia School. Today I am here to share you a new lesson. Adventure activities in the Maldives. The best adventure activities in the Maldives. What is adventure for you? Any activity which is unusual, exciting, or gives you a daring experience is adventure for you, right? In Maldives, there are innumerable adventure activities that you can participate in. Why? The large lagoons in the Maldives are perfect for these different sports activities. A very happy boy, happy that he is being able to experience this activity. What is this activity called? Surfing. For surfing, you will need a surfboard, the wind flowing in the right direction on the beach. What is this man doing under the water? Wearing a snorkel. Snorkeling. Yes, you will be able to see the underwater corals. Have you experienced this? Those who have participated in the Farukyo program, I'm sure you have, right? Glide through the air using an open parachute while being towed by a motorboat. What is this activity called? Parasailing. Do you like to experience this? It would be an amazing experience for you. Wow! Underwater garden. How can you see this? Diving. You have to wear a diving mask to dive, right? When you dive, you will be able to see and experience this. All these are adventurous activities in Maldives, and I'm sure that you would love to experience this. Am I right? Okay, now I would like you all to turn to page 51. The recount is about adventure activities in the Maldives. Children, while reading, always remember to underline the difficult words. These difficult words might be words that you don't know the meaning, or words which are difficult to pronounce. These words can be collected as separately in a book as word bank, and you can collect the meaning and also try to learn so that you can use these words when you are writing your essays and stories. Shall we read the reading comprehension? The best adventure activities in Maldives. What is adventure for you? What would you like to be with while being engaged in an adventure activity? In the Maldives, there are innumerable adventure activities that you can participate in. Here is a look at some of them. Surfing. Undoubtedly, this is one of the best adventure activities in the Maldives. The large lagoons that surrounds the Maldives island are perfect for this adventure activity. All you need is a surfboard for it and a sea beach with winds flowing in the right direction. You can lie on the board or stand still as the waves moves you ahead. The thrill that you will experience as you ride the boat is truly exceptional. You can see the clear water and stunning wildlife around you in the water. If you do not know how to surf, then Maldives is the best place to do so. Which beaches are the best in the Maldives? Visit that beach and start surfing. Snorkeling and diving. Having deep coral reefs, the Maldives is the best location for snorkeling and diving. Snorkeling basically means swimming through the water while wearing a diving mask. What do you know about a snorkel? It is an object which is in the shape of a tube. While snorkeling, you can explore the wide variety of beautiful and colorful plants, fish, and other animals in the seawater. Night fishing. You must have all heard of fishing. What do you know about night fishing? Maldives is one of those places that is popular for night fishing. It is a unique Maldivian adventure sport and is truly thrilling. In night fishing, boats are anchored at reefs just before the sunset. You can then watch the beautiful sun go down and enjoy fishing under the stars. So, students, have you all read the reading comprehension? Were you able to collect some words? Shall I share my words with you? My word bank. Innumerable. Undoubtedly. Exceptional. Stunning. Variety. Thrilling. These are some of the words which I have underlined. I think some of the words might be difficult for you to understand or pronounce. So, after collecting these words, what are we going to do? First of all, what you can do is try to figure out the meaning after reading the sentence or the paragraph. Or else, you can always refer to a dictionary. Now let's see the meanings of the words that we have collected. Innumerable. Too many to be counted. How can we make a sentence using this word? There are countless adventure activities in the Maldives. Apart from using countless, we can use innumerable. There are innumerable adventure activities in the Maldives. Undoubtedly, without doubt, certainly. Certainly, surfing is one of the best adventure activities in the Maldives. Exceptional, unusual, not typical. You will experience an unusual experience while surfing. Exceptional experience while surfing. Stunning. Meaning is extremely impressive or attractive. You can see the clear water and attractive wildlife around you. Apart from using attractive, you can use stunning. You can see the clear water and stunning wildlife around you. Variety, state of being different or diverse. While snorkeling, we can explore different kinds of colorful plants and fish in the seawater. Different kinds of. when we cut down different kinds of, we can use variety in that place, right? Next word, thrilling, causing excitement and pleasure, exhilarating. Water sports gives you a thrilling experience. Water sports gives you an exciting experience. I hope that you have understood the meaning of these words now. Have you? Can you make more words using these words? Well, when you are practicing to make words, always make sure that the words which you have found the meaning as well as these meanings are related to the context. Okay? After reading the comprehension, let's do an activity related to it. Okay. Turn to page 52. In this page, there are two activities. The first one is answer the questions. Read the questions carefully. The first question: what makes windsurfing a perfect adventure activity in the Maldives? So, to find the answer, what do you have to do? In the comprehension, there are 3 subheadings, right? From these subheadings even, you will be able to identify to which paragraph you have to focus on. In which paragraph do they talk about surfing? Yes, it is the 3rd paragraph. So go to 3rd paragraph and try to find the correct answer for this question. Second question is, which is a unique Maldivian adventure sports? Which is a unique Maldivian adventure sports according to you? Read the reading comprehension and try to get the answer for this. Okay? Third question is, why is the Maldives the best location for snorkeling and diving? Here you have to focus on snorkeling and diving, right? So in which paragraph does it talk about snorkeling and diving? Go focus in that paragraph, okay? What can you do while snorkeling? This is very much related to the previous question. So from the same paragraph, you will find out the answer for this question. Last is, describe the experience you can have while windsurfing. Do you think that you can give the answer straight from the book? No. Describe. You have to describe what you can. So you can give your own experience if you have experienced surfing, if you have gone for surfing. Okay? Even though in the paragraph also it is clearly pointed out. So I hope that you will be able to answer it on your own words. And make sure to write it correctly, use the correct punctuation. Well, now here we come to the last part of the exercise, second part, right? Choose the best answer to fill in the blanks. To do so, if you have clearly comprehended the recount, you will be able to answer it. You will be able to fill in the blanks. Why? Because all these questions are related to the passage which you have read before. Even though if you have difficulties in answering, what you can do is read, reread, and try to comprehend the passage and fill fill in the blanks. Okay? If you are able to complete it without any difficulties, it means that you have clearly understood and comprehended the comprehension. I hope that after comprehending this, you will be able to understand that all these activities, especially adventurous activities carried out in Maldives, are related to one particular place. Can you guess it? Yes, sea. Why is that? Because our country is located in a very beautiful place in this world. Majority of the country's space is water, sea. The islands are embedded in the sea, right? So these adventurous activities are really exciting. Do you think that there are more activities? Do you want to find about it? Yes, you would like to, right? So I hope that you will try to read more articles, research, and inquire about adventure activities in the Maldives as well as in other countries. Are you going to do that? I hope so. That's all for today. I hope that you have enjoyed today's lesson. Have a good day and bye-bye for now. Thank you. Okay.